A tiny piece of paper just made a grown adult scream. No blood. How is that possible? Your fingertips contain about 3,000 nerve endings per square centimetre, making them the most sensitive part of your entire body. Your brain packed them with sensors because fingers are your primary tools for exploring the world. Think of it this way: dropping a pin on a microphone versus a carpet. Same pin, wildly different signal. A paper cut hits where the wiring is densest. Look closer. Under a microscope, the edge of paper looks like a jagged saw blade. Microscopic teeth ready to tear through whatever they touch. Paper doesn't cut, it rips, shredding nerve endings instead of slicing them cleanly. More damage means a louder pain signal to your brain. Deep cuts bleed, and bleeding is protective. Blood triggers clotting, which seals the wound and covers exposed nerve endings. Pain fades faster. Paper cuts are too shallow to bleed properly, leaving nerve endings raw and exposed, open to air, fabric, everything you touch. Every movement reminds you. Your hands and fingers are mapped to a disproportionately large area of the brain's sensory cortex, more processing power than your entire back. Pain from your finger gets amplified. 3 things working against you: highest nerve density, a jagged tear instead of a clean cut, and 0 blood to protect the wound. All at once. Highest nerve density. A microscopic saw blade. Nerve endings left unprotected. One tiny paper cut, an outsized amount of pain. Next time paper gets you, now you know why. Science of everyday pain. Thanks for watching.